So if you want to deactivate your Snapchat account, you will need to follow this step. So deactivating your Snapchat account temporarily disables it, and you can reactivate it by logging back in within 30 days. After that period, your account will be permanently deleted. So here you have to watch this video till the end to deactivate your Snapchat account. First of all, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Snapchat on your mobile device, you have to tap on your profile icon which is on the top left corner of the screen to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, here you have to tap on the gear icon or setting icon which is on the top right corner of your profile screen. So once you are on your setting, here you have to scroll down and find the delete account. So here you can find the delete account here. So you have to just go and tap on the delete account and you have to open it with any of the browser that you want and you will be directed to the Snapchat page. So you have to first log into your Snapchat here. So here you have to write your Snapchat username or email. After writing your username, you have to just go for the next option and write your password. After writing your password, here you can see the delete account option. So your account will be deactivated, which means friend won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chat that you have saved and any snap and chat that you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you want to reactivate your account, you have to reactivate account before the 30 days. So here you have to write your username and you have to write your password. Once done, you have to just tap on the continue option. So here you can see that I have successfully deactivated my Snapchat account. So if you have soon verified your email address with Snapchat here, so in 30 days your account will be deleted. So here you can see the Snapchat account deletion. You have to just go for that link here. This way you can easily delete or deactivate your Snapchat account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.